Help! Man! Please! Man, look at this. I know what's happening to me. Please help me. It's like I'm in a terribly edited movie. I don't know what's happening, really. It's a nightmare. It's like my audio and video are being unsynchronized. It'll take me just a second, you know? Oh. Welcome to the Power Creation. My name is Sebastian, and now let's just get right into the problem here. You know how sometimes you record a video with your camera, but since it doesn't have that good of an audio, like mine, if you listen to this, now when I'm speaking it's really bad, but I decided to record my audio with an external mic, like right over here. When we import both of them, audio and video, in our Premiere Pro project, we need to be extra careful to put them at the right spot in our timeline. And this is sometimes quite difficult. We need to really have them synchronized. Back in the old days, people usually used these things. It helped them to synchronize audio with video by dragging our audio around until it was a perfect match, like the hit and the sound. But nowadays in Premiere Pro there is a much faster way. It's even faster than me explaining this to you, so let's just get right into it. First things first, import your video and audio into the project. Now let's create new sequence from this video. For this to work, the video needs to have its own audio as well, although this isn't the one you want to use since it's quite bad. Hey man, please help me. Look at this. I don't know what's happening. Place the separate clean audio file beneath your video. Now you'll need to select them both, right-click and choose synchronize. In the dialog that appears, choose the last option, audio. And for the track channel, choose the track number, which will be the reference point. I'd usually choose the bigger track. Hit OK when you're done. And it's synced. Now it's just left to cut out the unnecessary parts and get rid of the old audio. You'll do this by first right-clicking on your video clip and choosing Unlink. With this you can easily remove only the audio part. Let's tweak it around a bit here. Hey man, please help me. Look at this. I don't... And you're done. Better? Huh. Whoa, man. Test. Sebastian is stupid. It works, man. Thanks a lot. Ooh, now I can tell you about my day. You wouldn't believe what happened to me. So I was going early in the morning to the store before going to jog, but after I came across that dog. You know how cute it was. I still didn't get small. But there's more. There's all of a sudden started so wait by here. I could see it in his eyes. Yeah. These two dogs. Can you stay with me? Yeah. Wait. Are you prepared for this? A puppy. Are you really prepared for this? And they were both like what happened from the start to the end, you know? And they had a daughter, a puppy daughter. That puppy and the puppy had a puppy. But still, I still didn't get to the point. But there is more. And all of a sudden it started wanting to bite me. I could see it. If you found this video to be helpful to you in any way, make sure to support me so I can make even more of this by hitting the like button down below, and also consider subscribing to the channel so you get notified when new ones come out. Thanks for watching, peace, and see you in the next one.